Have you ever stared into the night sky and wondered, what if light could move infinitely fast? What if we could see galaxies being born the instant it happened? No delay, no waiting, a cosmic live stream. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the twist. If light traveled any faster, you wouldn't be here to wonder. The universe as we know it would collapse, freeze, or even never form at all. In this video, we'll explore why the speed of light, 300,000 km per second, is the perfect speed limit for existence of universe. But first to truly grasp why light speed matters. Let's first dive into what it would happen if we travel at the speed of light. In 1905, Einstein's theory of special relativity, which changes everything. It showed us that the speed of light isn't just fast, it's the maximum speed anything can go. No matter how fast you are moving in a rocket or standing still, light speed is always the same for everyone. But to truly understand how powerful that speed limit is, let's imagine what happens when you start getting close to it. Now imagine you are in a spaceship, approaching the speed of light. Strange things begin to happen. First, and time would literally cease to exist. As you depart and accelerate toward the speed of light, you watch the Earth slowly fade away, until suddenly the Earth stops shrinking. As light rays hit the spaceship one at a time, a smaller and smaller Earth is shown as you get farther away. But as you reach the speed of light, those light rays just stick to the spaceship instead of passing it. And since other light rays are no longer able to catch up to you, you end up seeing the exact same thing. No matter how much time passes. And that's not all, it gets even weirder. Not only does light freeze, but space itself begins to bend. When a body moves at the speed of light, its length contracts in the direction of motion. For us, the universe gets contracted along our direction of motion, so the distance to our destination becomes shorter than expected. This is known as length contraction. If we tried to reach a different galaxy that's light years away, it would take less time. In fact, it's possible to travel thousands of light years in just a few seconds. At light speed, the journey would seem instantaneous to us, but for people on Earth, several thousand years would have passed. But what if we took things even further? What if light didn't just travel fast, but infinitely fast? Now, let's imagine light traveled at infinite speed. A star explodes 10 billion light years away, and we see it instantly. No delay, no waiting. At first, that sounds perfect, until you realize what it really means. If light moves instantly, then nothing takes time. And if nothing takes time, there's no before and after. No cause, no effect. The universe becomes a static, frozen picture, a painting, not a movie. In short, if light speed were infinite, time would not exist. But to feel just how important this delay is, let's rewind back to the beginning of the universe, the Big Bang. A tiny, dense, hot speck explodes outward. Matter scatters and expands rapidly. Over time, galaxies form, planets stabilize, life emerges. But why this can happen? Because light and gravity took time to travel. That delay gave matter time to spread, to clump, to organize. If gravity moved instantly, every particle would pull on every other particle immediately just after the explosion. The universe would collapse back into a point before can even form. The delay created by light speed and gravity's matching speed made balance possible. So now that we've seen how infinite light speed would break reality, let's explore what might happen if light were just a little faster. Now imagine, if light were just a bit faster, say twice as fast, could the universe still exist? Maybe, but it would be radically different. Stars might burn out sooner. Black holes might form faster. Chemical reactions might happen in milliseconds. Life, if it evolved at all, might be too fast to be conscious, too chaotic to survive. So next time you look at the stars, remember, the light touching your eyes left its home years ago. You're not just seeing light, you're seeing time itself. And the universe only exists because light doesn't get there instantly. It gets there just in time.